have like a pack of pimples right here and I'm actually over it. I don't know why they decided to come out and play it because I did not ask them to, but just okay. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a little get ready with me kind of thing. I thought I would do it because I've never done one before and I don't know, I thought it would be kind of fun. And I'm actually going out today to meet one of my friends, so I thought I would just film myself getting ready. So the first thing I'm going to do is put on some sunscreen, and today is absolutely scorching. I'm not even kidding, it is so hot today. So while I'm waiting for that to kind of like sit in a little bit, I'm going to just have a little bit of a drink break because why not? Alright, anyway, let's move on to the next step. And the next thing I'm going to do is put on some primer. This is a Face Studio primer. I use this in my everyday makeup routine video. It has like a really nice blurring effect and I don't know, I just love it. I just apply it to my forehead, around my nose and on my cheeks a little bit because I feel like those are my most pory areas. So that's what I did. Alright, next step, we are going to utilize some foundation to make myself look so much better. Alrighty, so we have our wet beauty blender and we're gonna start applying some foundation. Has anyone been watching Love Island Australia? Because wow, that was weird. Because I would love to be able to discuss the stuff that goes down on Love Island. Like, please just DM me on Instagram or something if you do watch Love Island. Alrighty, so I was gonna use this ColourPop No Filter foundation, but it is way too light for me. It is giving me whole other skin tone vibes. So I'm going to just use this Rimmel London Lasting Finish 25-hour breathable foundation, and I'm pretty sure I use this in my everyday makeup routine as well. See, this matches my skin tone so much more. The other one literally looked white on me. And also bring it down to your neck just to kind of match everything up. So now I'm just gonna blend away. I feel like this foundation isn't like full coverage or anything. It's very I feel like this foundation isn't very full coverage, unless like you build it up, obviously. So now that we've done that, I'm gonna go with my concealer and I'm going to use the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the shade Medium 28. Is it just me or is anyone as obsessed with TikTok as I am? I swear I can spend hours and hours on TikTok and I don't understand why my brain just cannot stop. I'm practically up all night just on TikTok sending people random TikToks at like 3 AM in the morning, and it is a bit of a problem. I'm just kind of blending out my concealer, but I try to kind of bring it down as much as I can. The thing is, if you kind of blend it how do I explain it? If you blend it towards your nose as well, like a little bit into your nose, it really shapes your nose. I don't know if you can even tell, but I feel like it does that. So look at my nose right now and look at my nose before. It would have looked a lot different. I mean, I hope it does. But I'm just kind of gonna go blend it in. I really should have asked some questions or something on my Instagram because I don't really know what to talk about apart from TikTok. Now that I feel like I've blended enough, I'm going to go in with Insta a Duo contour stick in the shade Dark. It has a contour shade and a highlighting shade, and I just take the contouring shade and I get an angled brush just like this one, and I kind of run it through the product and then apply it where I would, I guess, contour my face. If you use a brush and you really blend it out, like, it just leaves such a natural look to your face, like a natural bronzy kind of glow, rather than, I mean, not even a glow, but like a rather natural kind of bronzed look. And I also make sure to bring it up the sides of my face and towards my forehead just so it looks like kind of natural and it's all blended together, because you don't want just like one dark line. And just like whatever's remaining on the brush, I just kind of bring it down to my jaw and stuff, and down the side of my nose. I don't like particularly go in with anything on my nose, but look how my nose already looks. I don't know if you can tell on camera, okay, but on person it kind of looks snatched. And so after that, I literally just grab the highlighting side and I kind of just apply it directly onto my skin, and then I just use a beauty blender to sort of blend it out, and I can't stop raving about it. I wish I was sponsored, but I'm not. So Rimmel, if you want to sponsor me, the link's down below, okay? Recently I've been in such a weird mood about doing YouTube and stuff, because I don't know, I just feel like I'm putting in a lot of effort and sometimes it doesn't pan out the way I want it to, and it really brings me down, and I feel so stupid feeling like that, because like it's just like a hobby for me. Like it's just really fun, and sometimes it is like quite disheartening to see that things aren't like working out, or like you wanted a video to do well or something like that. But I don't know, I've just been feeling kind of slumpy about YouTube. I just kind of realized that it's important to kind of take a step back when you're feeling like that about things, to kind of understand why you're feeling like that. I was feeling so like unmotivated to film, and that's why I didn't have a video up last week, because I just didn't feel any motivation. I just felt like I wasn't doing well enough to capture people's attentions and like have good content, and I don't know, it was just really shitty for me. But I just kind of realized, like, at the end of the day, I'm just kind of doing this for me. Like, I'm not doing this for other people and for them to have a say in what's going on in my life, in my mind, in my videos or anything. And I just needed to realize that I'm like doing this for fun, and I shouldn't really stress about everything else, because, you know, it doesn't really matter. I'm not going to be like a big YouTuber or anything. So I don't know, I'm just gonna live in the moment. I've told myself that I'm gonna start living in the moment and just doing things that make me happy, rather than worrying about like, oh, is this video even gonna do well, or is this like gonna really make people want to watch it. Like, it is disheartening to see sometimes when people don't watch your videos, but I'm just gonna continue doing me. And yeah, I thought I would share that with you guys, because I feel like it's important to just take a step back sometimes when you are feeling unmotivated about things, and you always come back to the situation feeling refreshed and ready to kind of take it on in a better way. That's just how I've been feeling lately, but I'm back and feeling great. So the next thing I'm gonna do is sort of start setting my face, because we need to. For eyebrows, you can guess exactly what product I'm using, because this is basically the only eyebrow pencil I have, and it's the Colourpop. Using the Colourpop Brow Boss eyebrow stuff in soft black. And I'm just gonna do, I don't really do much to my eyebrows. I don't know if I mentioned, I kind of be really freestyle with it. I don't really feel like I need to shape my eyebrows or anything, because they have a pretty good shape naturally, so just naturally blessed. So now that we've done everything, we've done the base and everything, we're gonna do the eyes. I don't know what to do for my eyes. Start by taking a fluffy brush like this one, and I'm gonna use this Sports Girl palette. How has no one ever told me how good Sports Girl palettes are? I have one palette from Sports Girl, but this is like my favorite palette ever. I'm pretty sure it's like a dupe of like a Huda Beauty palette or something. I'm not too sure, but I'm just gonna take this shade here and kind of do it in my crease. But these palettes are actually amazing. The quality, like the pigmentation and everything, and they're only like $30, so you might want to get on that if you haven't already. And now that that's added a little something, I'm going to just take this darker brownish shade over here. It's actually brown, but it comes up like maroon in the camera, but I'm gonna just take that and kind of deepen it a little bit, and that's all I'm gonna do. I feel like if you have like the definition towards the outer eye, it kind of makes your eyes look bigger, and that's what it looks like on me, so that's what I kind of focus on. I don't know what it is, but I am very, very, very pumped for like the summertime and going to the beach and just like chilling out. If you don't know me, you wouldn't know that like I'm actually quite obsessed with having warmer weather, because I used to live in Brisbane and I live in Melbourne now. The weather difference is kind of crazy. I don't know what shade I should use on my eyes. I'm gonna take this shade here. It's like a creamy white matte color, and I'm gonna put that on the rest of my eyelid, and that's pretty much my makeup done for the day. That's my eyes done for the day. I really didn't do much to them, but that's pretty much it. It just adds like a little something for me. And now that that's done, I'm going to curl my lashes and do some mascara. And the mascara I'm going to use Maybelline so the mascara I'm going to be using is the Maybelline Lash. Why can't I speak? Okay, the Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara, and this is a waterproof one because I don't know, I accidentally picked up the waterproof one, but it works just as well as the original. Alright, now I'm just gonna quickly set my face a little bit with this Insta Fix and Go. I like to be extra about my highlights, so I'm using this Model's Own Sculpt and Glow palette. I haven't actually used this. I've kind of like swatched it, but I've never really used it. I don't even open it. And this is what the shades look like. I'm pretty sure that one's like a cream one, and then these two are powders. I'm gonna take the middle shade because I really like that one. And I'm just using this little Real Techniques brush. Oh wow, look at that glow, what the heck? See, I've never really used this palette. Whoa, that actually is so nice. I'm gonna take the same eyeshadow brush from before, and I'm gonna take this Too Faced Natural Eyes palette, and I'm gonna be taking this classic color here. And yes, I've used this palette to death, so please don't compliment me because it's dirty or whatever. 10 out of 10 makes me actually look like I've slept a good 8 hours, even though I haven't. This is a blush I'm using. It's the Savvy one. The thing I'm going to do is I'm going to apply some lip liner and like my lip gloss and stuff, and this is the Essence Soft Contouring Lip Liner in the shade Going Steady. I'm going to be using the Colourpop Ultra Glossy Lip in the shade Flying Horses. Anyway, I really hope you guys enjoyed this little video, and yeah, I thought it was kind of fun to do a little get ready with me, and hopefully you guys enjoyed it too. And if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you like this video, and make sure you follow my Instagram and my Twitter and everything. I've linked it all down below, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!